Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Flourish and I'm back again with another vlog. So yeah, we are at the market. My mom and I came to shop. We came to buy some food items for us to cook. So yeah, my mom came visiting. She came to Lagos to spend some time with us, and her stay is going to be very short. So we came here to buy some food items that we're going to be cooking. Actually, we came from an immunization, my son's immunization, and the market was just opposite, and we decided to go and buy some things. So yes, so enjoy this vlog. Enjoy this. I hope you enjoy this vlog. Please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to turn on your post notifications so that you can always see a video from us whenever we post. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for supporting. I love you guys. So enjoy the vlog.
Are we buying your cousin? Will it be enough? Just make
My mom is cooking. It's cooking for me.
Forget me not.
She'll be leaving us very soon, and my
It will
mom
be
is
long.
cooking.
I'll be leaving my daughter. I'm the son. I'll be long.
Oh my goodness.
Leaving us soon, yeah. It won't be long, and I'll be living there.
Look at the beautiful soup my mom is cooking for us.
It will be long, but I'll be going.
Jai, mommy, I'm going to miss you.
Gonna miss me.
Oh, God.
For I'm a servicing mother.
Chai.
You're gonna miss
Lekwa
me.
soup. This is an old hand cooking.
You're gonna miss me.
An old hand cooking.
This is my
Forget me not. Forget me not soup. Oh, Lekwa ofe. Wow. Chai.
Okay.
This is the egusi and water leaf and which okazi soup. Even as I am salivating, you want me?
Wow. This is,
Let me taste. Food for me. Yay, it's hot. Yummy.
The music go far. Why man are you not happy?
I will not have to eat now.
Not 10 years.
No, I will eat it. I'm serious. My mommy is going back. Child, we are at the park now. And mommy is going back. She's going back to Port Harcourt. She has finished her time with us, and we are grateful. So, mommy, it's so great to miss you.
I'll be leaving you. It's really long. I'll be going. Child, count the time is short. Count the time is short. Count the time is short. When mommy will
See me, I want to cry.
I'll be going. Child.
Oh, my mom is going. Oh, I'm going to miss her. The Lord will be with me. Yes, the Lord is with me already. I'll park where now? Oh yeah, now. Oh yeah. Oh, say no. Do we be going? Should we be going? Oh, should still. My mommy wants us to stay with her. Oh yeah, now go and buy what you want to buy. Grandma is going no. Grandma is going no. Grandma is going no. Grandma is going no. We're just going to stay with her for some time and then we'll be heading back home. I'm feeling emotional. I don't want to cry. I'm feeling emotional. I'm going to miss my mom actually. She has been of great help to me this period that she came, and I really appreciate it. Honestly, I don't want her to go. Why have I wanted to cry? I don't want to cry in this video. I don't want to cry in this video, but she has been of great help to me. This few weeks she has been around, but she needs to go to attend to my sister. So yeah, I can't be selfish because she needs to really go. So, but hopefully she'll be back. Okay, don't cry here, please, you guys. I'll see you guys later. I'll see you guys later. Plantain chips. Child, babe, we are going now. Mommy is soon going now for us to go. My mom has gone, so we are going back home. Then. Oh yeah, let's go. Let's go. I miss my mom already, but well, She has a family of her own too now, Abby, and a husband and children. I'm not the only child of my mother, so she has to go. Alright, let me start going back to the house. Alright guys, see you guys later. Bye.